International Secondary Science Workbook 1. We will solve today the first exercise from workbook of unit number 7.1, which is introducing elements. So we have to write T next to the statement that is true and F next to the statement that is false. First is, every material is made from one or more elements. Yes, it's true. An element is a substance that cannot be split up to make other substances. It is false. Elements may be break down. There are 116 elements found naturally on earth. No, it's false. Naturally occurring elements are 92. Every element is made up of its own type of particles. Yes, it's right. The particles of one element are different from the particles of other element. Yes, it's also right. So here we have to write the statements that are false on the upper side. That were there are 116 elements. No, there are 92 elements false, naturally occurring on earth. And an element is a substance that can split up to make other substances, that cannot be split up to make other substances. Next question, the listed below gives the name of some materials. Underline the names of the element in the list. Use the periodic table on page number to help you, on page number 6 to help you. Here are wood, copper, brass, gold, bronze, iodine, oxygen, glass, chlorine and ruby salt. We have to underline the name of elements only. So wood is not an element, copper is an element, gold is also an element, but brass is a mixture, iodine also an element, bronze is a mixture, oxygen is also an element, glass is a mixture, chlorine is also an element and ruby salt is also not an element. Next question number 3 है, write the names of elements below in the correct column of the table. Use the periodic table on the page number 6 to help you. The word we have lithium, manganese, nickel, oxygen, phosphorus, rhodium, sulfur, tungsten, vanadium, xenon, yttrium and zirconium. So we have to differentiate make different list of metals and non-metals. Metals are lithium, manganese, nickel, rhodium, tungsten, vanadium and yttrium. And non-metals are oxygen, phosphorus, sulfur, xenon and zirconium. Next we have, give the names of two most common elements in the universe. Hydrogen and helium are most common in the universe. Oxygen is as well common. The two most common elements in the earth crust, oxygen and silicon, are most common in earth crust. The most common element in atmosphere is nitrogen, which is 78% present in the air. Use the internet to find out about two elements. For each element explain its properties, make suitable for its uses. आप कोई से भी दो एलिमेंट्स जो हैं वो लिख सकते हैं, कोई से भी दो एलिमेंट्स जो आपको पीरियोडिक टेबल में सबसे ज़्यादा अट्रैक्टिव लगते हैं, अच्छे लगते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आप सिल्वर एंड गोल्ड के बारे में भी लिख सकते हैं.